yung tatay ng isa nating madre, no, si Gilberto, pumanaw, no, yung tatay ni Sister Giuseppe. We include that in our Mass today, no. Nakikiramay kami sa inyong komunidad po, no. Anyway, the gospel today is a beautiful reminder of those who are called to serve in the kingdom, no. Tinatawag tayo para tumulong sa pagpalaganap ng mabuting balita. Yung nagtatanim at yung the sower and the reaper, yung mag-harvest. No? We need people to help in the vineyard of the Lord sa pagpalaganap ng mabuting balita. Ang kailangan niya sa mga ito, hindi mga espesyalista, kahit na sino pwede tumulong, kahit na sino. Basta mahalaga, ang Diyos ang magkakapitan. Kasi kahit na gano'n ka kagaling, pero sa sobrang galing, walang teamwork, hindi mo kasama ang Panginoon, ikaw ang kapitan, hindi ang kapitan ng Panginoon, hindi nakakatulong eh. So, as a matter of fact, in our weakness is our strength. Yung gospel, yung second reading ng gospel, no? Sinabi ni San Pablo kay Jesus, alisin yung tinik. Hindi naman nilalis yung tinik, sabi niya, yung kahinaan mong yan, na sinisimbolo ng tinik na yan, yan ang dadala sa iyo sa kaluwalhatian, would give you honor. Do not worry about that, yung kahinaan natin. Dahil dito, ito ay magbibigay, gagamitin siya para ipalaganap yung mabuting balita. So tayo rin lahat ay inaayahan magpalaganap in whatever way, He will use us. Do not worry about what to say, what you are to share. It is God who will work through you. Let us just be available. Nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa taong gaba. We do our share, God will do the rest. We thank God today for this Tuesday as a beautiful reminder. The harvest is abundant, but the laborers are few. So ask the taskmaster to send out laborers for His vineyard. He is asking all of us now to share in this good news of God's love. We ask our patron, Saint Anthony, to help us in bringing more people closer to God in this celebration. Salamat sa Diyos.